Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how can you change your age on your TikTok. So first of all, I'm gonna open my TikTok account real quick and I'm gonna go to my profile. And on the profile on the top right, you see those three bars. You're gonna press on that. You're gonna go to settings and privacy. You're gonna go to your account, and now you're gonna go to your account information. Now all you see here is your email and your phone number, and there you can go to your password and it's just gonna show you your passwords. But basically what you cannot see here is your date of birth. How do you change your date of birth? Because for some options, for some features, TikTok requires you to be 18 plus. So you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom and you're gonna hit log out. You're gonna log out and then I don't know why it did not log out. I'm gonna try again. Oh, okay, we're logged out. Now you see we're on the sign up for TikTok option here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press on use phone or email, and now you see now you can enter your birthday, and it could be like, for example, let's just put in 1978, and now I'm gonna press next, and it's gonna ask you to review it, and you're gonna press OK, press next, and now I'm back to my, it's telling me to add my phone or my email address. And as soon as I enter my phone or email, it's gonna try finding my account that already exists. As soon as it finds, it's just gonna log me in, but my age would actually update what I entered here. I'm just not gonna go ahead and do that since my age here is perfect, but that is the workaround that you can use to update your age on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it works for you. So I hope I'll see you in the next one as well. Thank you.